The industry is moving fast from the original grid layout, which was designed to have centralized energy generation, to the envisioned grid solution, with the energy producers being decentralized and, of course, decarbonized. However, this comes also with major challenges. The massive amount of renewable energy to be integrated requires both further grid expansion and enhanced flexibility at the same time. Alone in Europe, the power consumption is expected to increase by 60%, while the renewable energy share is to be at least 45% by the end of the decade. From an OEM perspective, that translates to a significantly increased load. We need to serve at the same time the combined demand associated with both grid expansion and grid transformation. And as a result, most OEMs already have a full order book for several years, which creates a more vulnerable situation for operators around the world.
On short notice, we have a very high demand for tap changers, but also all other products and services of the Reinhausen Group, driven by the global energy transition. I can confirm that from some transformer manufacturer, we have already booked orders for the year 2025 and following, indicating full factories for the next years, especially in Europe and the Americas. To cope with the sharply increasing demand coming from all regions worldwide simultaneously is a short-term big challenge. Besides the demand, we are also introducing the new digital solution like our unique ETOS transformer operating system integrated in the tap changer drive. ETOS enables classic digital transformer monitoring, but also smart functions like a dynamic transformer power rating, which is especially interesting for renewable energy connection.
It is clear that asset shortage is a major obstacle to grid development, and this obviously cannot be solved by the currently available capacities alone. Likewise, the consequences of failures have been increasing dramatically. If a transformer fails today, operators don't necessarily have the luxury to quickly replace the unit. And although the costs of unplanned downtimes can be now counted in thousands of euros per minute, which translates to a significant risk. On the other hand, monitoring and digitalization offer a quickly available solution in this area and can also be used effectively to improve or even replace the maintenance strategies in use. Maschinenfabrik Reinhausen has long been a reliable and key partner of GANZ, and we have a common view on the importance of intelligent power units. Based on the very positive experience, we have chosen MR as our strategic partner, which was the important first step to expand our range of solutions with monitoring and digitalization features. The result of this joint work is known today as the Power Transformer portfolio of GANZ Intelligent Solutions.
GANZ has recognized the trend towards asset digitization very early in both dimensions. Once the advantages in the field during asset operation, but also the simplification and cost reduction potential for the transformer manufacturer itself. By standardizing the hardware integrated in the tap changer drive cabinet, all additional functions offered can be mostly realized by easy sensor connection and software parameterization. This allows for more streamlined process of engineering and production at the transformer manufacturer, while at the same time they can offer a full range of digital solutions and data acquisition to differentiate from other OEM. With GANZ, we have a very reliable partner, and with the strong commitment of GANZ CEO Mr. Jan Prinz and the brand manager Mr. Gabor Farkas since 2021, we had the necessary speed and push to the successful integration. The partnership has started to deliver results and benefits for our customers already in the first year after start, and this increased the confidence in the journey until today.
Thanks to the close cooperation between the GANZ and MR teams, The process of designing, ordering, and commissioning intelligent systems has improved significantly. And these are important steps on the way to deliver these solutions to our customers. With the addition of GANZ Intelligent Solutions, our power transformers can be operated with a higher level of utilization and a longer useful lifetime, also allowing end users to operate these assets in a more sustainable way. From a more distant view, the cooperation gets us closer to achieving our goal to transit from a product supplier to a solution provider, with clear commitment to the net zero, decarbonization, and circular economy targets.
At MR, we learned a lot about the processes and end-user requests to GANZ regarding different grades of digitalization. We also learned about the hesitation and concerns about the new technology and how to address this successfully and finally convince also critical end-user and grid operators. A major step was in 2022 the introduction of the brand GANZ Intelligent Solutions into the market, which made from then onwards as a standard all GANZ transformers smart ready, which allows also for easier expansion of features during mid or late life retrofit implementation. Since the introduction of GANZ Intelligent Solutions, we have noticed a strong and growing customer interest, with ever-increasing quantity of additional digital functions being ordered. The increased volumes have allowed GANZ and MR to further standardize interfaces in the supply chain and jointly reducing costs. With the utility E.ON, we could win an important and prominent early customer here in Hungary with a high appreciation for the potential of a digital asset.
The expectations and challenges associated with the energy transition and decarbonization efforts are not isolated to power transformers, but this is something that we need to address on an industry level. Consequently, from our side, the energy transition translates to a portfolio transition, as we have performed a wide-scale implementation of asset monitoring for all products that are either manufactured or serviced by our company. And these include not just power transformers, but motors, generators, and SF6 GIS applications. Many operators are struggling with managing the extended number of assets that are to be maintained. Availability of numerous and quality expert personnel is often challenging due to the swift expansion in the industry. As a next-level solution, our in-development expert system will be able to support operators further. The integrated fleet management and performance assessment functions will ensure the safest operation and the most accurate operational prognosis with intervention recommendations. Apart from solutions for new assets, we are also engaged in retrofit applications. The potential loss, the lack of reserve, or simply the demand to safely extend the useful lifetime of an older unit are all motivating factors for operators to engage in such projects.
The cooperation requires a much higher understanding of the respective transformer manufacturer than the regular sales process. We may think from many years of loyal deliveries, we know the customer very well, but only in the partnership, as we have achieved it with GANZ today, we learn much more behind the procurement. With a separate team, we accumulate this special experience and knowledge, which also requires trust building at the start of the cooperation for further and new collaboration partners. Certainly, every transformer manufacturer is different, but the gained consolidated experience and approach is very valuable and has resulted today in 7 of such cooperation partnerships spread over 4 continents. This is a great development for MR in the quality of our customer understanding and relationship in the journey we have started with GANZ here in 2021.
In 2023, We have launched an energy optimization program with the primary objective to reduce natural gas consumption, thereby reducing gas dependence on fossil fuels. Thanks to the development, a significant portion of our factory's energy needs will be met by electricity generated from renewable resources, also enabling us to move to the next level of sustainable business operations. In 2024, our company also launched a 12 million euros worth technology development investment in our rotating machines division. The 2.0 development program is aimed at transforming the factory into a modern manufacturing facility in line with GANZ's long-term strategy to better serve the needs of the renewable energy sector. As a result of the investment program, we expect a significant increase in the orders for our rotating machines division in the coming period, and at the same time, our company is doubling the number of employees in the division as well.